Johnson, your science tutor. We want to continue our lecture in chemistry. Please do well to subscribe. Click the subscribe button to subscribe and share this video. God will bless you as you do so in Jesus' name. In the previous class, we learned ions. We told you about ions. So the prerequisite to what we are going to learn today is ions. Ions. So today we'll be looking at valency and oxidation states. Valency. Valency especially. What do we mean by valency? Valency is the combining power of an element. The combining power of an element is the valency of that element. The combining power of an element is the valency of that element. And you cannot get the combining power of an element if you have not been able to get the ions of that element. So we are going to look at this table, serial number. We are going to look at elements. Then we look at the atomic symbol. Look at the atomic symbol. Then we are going to look at electronic configuration. Then we look at symbol of ion. And then after that, we now look at valency of the element. So we start with hydrogen. The atomic symbol of hydrogen is H. The configuration of hydrogen is what? Is 1. So, and the symbol of hydrogen ion is H plus. Because it carries plus, this plus is plus 1. The valency is 1. Removing the charge of the power, you get the valency. The next one is helium. Don't forget, helium is a noble gas. And noble gases do not form ion. So helium is helium. The configuration is 2, occupying K shell. So, and it doesn't form ion. So its valency remains 0. Now, then the next one is lithium. Lithium Li, configuration 2 to 3. 2 to 1. Then the symbol of the ion is Li plus. Because of this one, you lose this one and form Li plus. And the valence is what? Is 1. So then the next one is beryllium. Beryllium Be. Configuration is 2 to 4. And because of this, 2 to 2, not 2 to 4. Because of these 2, you lose these 2 and form Be2 plus, and the valency is what? Is 2. Then the next one, number 5, is boron. Boron B, configuration is 2 to 3. So you lose these 3 and form B3 plus, and the valency is what? Is 3. Then the next one, number 4, is carbon. Carbon C, configuration is 2 to 4. And I told you that when you have 4 as the valence electron, then it can no longer lose the 4. The 4 becomes too big for you to lose. So what you will now do here is that you now think of how many will I borrow to add to this 4. It's going to borrow 4 more and form C4 minus. And the valence is what? Is 4. So we are continuing from here. Then number 5 is nitrogen. Nitrogen N. Then we have the configuration is 2 to 5. Then the symbol of the ion, you cannot lose this 5. So, but what will it do? It will borrow 3 to add to this 5 to make 8. Then you have 3 minus. And the valency is what? Is 3. So when you remove the charge of the oxidation number, that is the power, what you are left with is what? Is the valency. Then we have number 6 is oxygen. Oxygen is O, 2 to 6. So then this one, it borrows 2 to add to this 6. Then the configuration is O2, the ion is O2 minus, and the valency is what? Is 2. Then apart from that, we have okay, this is 4, 5, okay. Then we have okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. This is 7, 8. Then 9 now is fluorine. Fluorine is F. Configuration is 2 to 7. It borrows 1 to add to this 7 to form F minus, and the valency is what? Is 1. So then the next one, number 10, is neon. Don't forget, a neon is a noble gas. How do I know it's a noble gas? Its outermost shell is fully filled. Ne, that's 2 to 8. This is K shell carrying 2 electrons. This L shell carrying 8. The maximum number of electrons that this L shell can carry is 8, and it's already having 8 there, so it doesn't form ion. So the valency is what? Is 0. Then the next one is 11, that's sodium. Sodium Na. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 1. Then losing this 1, it forms Na plus, and the valency is what? Is 1. Then the next one is number 12, that's magnesium. Magnesium Mg. That's 2 to 8 to 2. Losing this 2, it forms Mg 2 plus, and the valency is what? Is 2. Then the next one is number 13, that's aluminium. Aluminium Al. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 3. Losing this 3, it forms Al3 plus, and the valency is what? Is 3. Then the next one, number 14, we want to start going to negative side now. Silicon Si. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 4. And here now, it's going to be Si4 minus, because it's adding 4 to this 4. It's borrowing it, and the valency is 4. Then the next one is phosphorus. Phosphorus P. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 5. And this 5 cannot be loose, but it borrows 3 to add to this 5 to form P3 minus, and the valency is 3. So then the next one is 16, that's sulfur Earth. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 6. So borrowing 2 to add to this 6 gives it what? S2 minus, that's sulfide ion, and the valency is what? Is 2. Then next one is chlorine. Chlorine is Cl. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 7. Borrowing 1 to add to this 7 makes it what? Cl minus ion, chloride ion, and the valency is 1. Then number 18 is argon. Don't forget, argon is a noble gas. Another noble gas we have here, that's Ar. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 8. Why is it a noble gas? Now, this shell can carry maximum of 8, and it already has 8 in the place. So it doesn't form ion, so its valency is what? 0. Then number 19 is potassium. Potassium K. Configuration is 2 to 8 to another 8 to 2. Losing these 2, it forms K, to 1, not to 2. Because K plus, and the valency is what? Is 1. The valency is 1. Then lastly here, we have number 20. That's calcium. That's calcium. Calcium Ca. Then the configuration is 2 to 8 to another 8 to 2. Then losing these 2, it forms Ca2 plus, and its valency is what? Is 2. So take note of that. So I think I've explained to you now what valency is. Now, but let me tell you something. Classification of elements based on valency. Classification of elements. Classification of elements based on valency. Now, elements are classified classify based on valency into monovalent elements. What are monovalent elements? These are elements with one valency. What are e.g.? Example is hydrogen. What is the valency of hydrogen? Is 1. You can see it here. Valency is 1. Another monovalent is what? Is lithium. Another monovalent is what? Is a sodium. A fluorine. Fluorine is monovalent. Then sodium is another monovalent. Then another one is potassium. You can see it here. Potassium. So and so on and so forth. These are monovalent elements. Monovalent elements are group 1 elements. They are group 1 elements. They are all group 1 elements. Then we have another one called divalent elements. What are divalent elements? These are elements with 2 valency. So their valency is 2. Example of that, we have seen that in what? In beryllium. We have beryllium. Then which other one do we have here? We have oxygen. Then we have which other one? We have magnesium. Then which other one is valency 2? That's sulfur. Then we have calcium. Valency of calcium is 2. So that is that. Then we have what we call trivalent elements. Tri means 3. Trivalent elements. These are elements with what? With 3 valency. Their valency is 3. Examples of that are, we have aluminium. Don't forget Al3 plus. What is it? Number 13. That's it. You can see. Then we have boron. Boron 5. That's you can see here. So they are trivalent. That's not only the only one. What about nitrogen? Let's check what is nitrogen. Look at it. So we have nitrogen. Nitrogen is also. What about phosphorus? Phosphorus number 15. You can see here we have phosphorus. So these are these. Then the last one here is we have tetravalent elements. What are they? These are elements with the valency of 4. Example is carbon and silicon. You can see that carbon, you can see it here. Silicon is what? Silicon, where is it? Number 14. That's it. You can see it here. So that is a valency. So in the next class, we will continue to talk about the topic where valency will be a prerequisite, and that topic is going to be compound and formation of ionic compound. So please do well to subscribe in my YouTube channel, Ademola Johnson, and have access to over 100 videos we have learned. And if you have benefited from what we have done so far, please try to click the subscribe button and share this video. And as you do so, God will bless you. I will be encouraged to do more. God bless you. Ademola Johnson is my name. Thank you and bye for now. Have a glorious day. Thank you.